Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video we're gonna see how to build a debug APK as quickly as possible. So as we know, when you want to build a debug APK, we have to clean the Gradle first. So we run that command cd android and Gradle clean and then cd // then we have to enter this long command, then Gradle assemble debug. But it's not possible for someone to memorize that second command. So every time you want to build a debug APK, you have to copy that line and paste in your command prompt. So I'm gonna teach you a quick shortcut so that you can build a debug APK just entering that command. If you enter this command, it will generate a debug APK for you. Sound interesting? So let's get started. So first, what we have to do, we have to open our project folder. So I open my previous project, Firebase push notification, and you have to open package.json file, packet.json file, where in script object we are gonna add some. We are gonna add these three to build a debug APK quickly. First, if we want to clean a Gradle, suppose if you run npm run start, then it will hit this command. So we are gonna similarly create something like, if you want to clear the Gradle, like clean the Gradle, so we name it clear, and we are gonna copy and paste this command. So we added this line after start, so it will clean the Gradle for you. Before, you have to enter this whole line, cd android Gradle clean cd // to clean your Gradle. Now just you have to run only npm run clear. Sorry, I didn't save that page. As you can see, Gradle clean successfully. So now you are gonna add the build debug APK line. So we need this line to build a debug APK. First we need this line. So we're gonna copy that line and you're gonna enter pre-build. And obviously you need a asset folder. You have to create asset folder in Android folder, app, src, main, res. In here, in main folder, you have to create a assets folder to build a debug APK. So we copy the first line, pre-build, and we're going to copy the second line that will generate our debug APK. And the second line parameter will be build and we have to save. As you can see, I don't have any build folder over here. So if I run npm run build, you have to enter this line to build your debug apk. Npm run build to build your apk, or if you want to clear your Gradle, so you have to run npm run clean, and before that you have to add this line to clean your Gradle and these two lines to build a debug apk. So I'm gonna hit enter. It will take time. It will take some time to generate the debug apk. Build successfully. Now if we check, we have a build folder over here. To build and outputs and apk and debug, and you can see a debug apk is generated, and as you can see the time it's generated right now. So that's how you build a debug apk, just with a one command, npm run build to generate a debug apk and npm run clear to clean your Gradle. So before that we have to enter this long, we have to copy this line, then enter over here, sorry, we have to enter this long command. After that we have to enter this, to generate a debug APK. Now we can just enter npm run build to generate a debug APK, but before that we have to add these 3 lines: first pre-build, then build, and then clear for Gradle clean. So that's it, guys. If you like my video, please like, comment and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.